Please be advised that viewer discretion is strongly recommended. None of the content presented here has been exaggerated or taken out of context. These are the exact statements made by the prosecution team, defense team, Ananya Sankar, and Special Agent. On June 16, 2025, some words have been censored to comply with YouTube's guidelines. What you're about to hear is a voiced-over reading of Ananya Sankar and Special Agent's testimony in the Sean Diddy Combs trial. Source: courtroom reporter at Inner City Press on X.com. All parties are presumed innocent until proven guilty. Listen at your own discretion. Before we start, I wanted to let you all know, I understand these videos are short and the testimonies seem very fast, but please do understand that because there are no cameras and only press, we have to cover the trial based on what Inner City Press is saying is being said in court, as he is the one inside that court, and we cannot get the transcripts of the testimony from the court. So please keep that in mind, and thank you all for the support. First, some exhibits entered under seal, subject to connection. Now we call our first witness, Ms. Sankar. What did you work on in this case?
2 summary charts. I was asked to verify the accuracy of...
Can you describe the documents underlying these charts?
Hundreds of pages.
Who is in the messages in the chart?
Christina Coram.
And whose cell number is this?
Brendan Paul.
How did Ms. Coram respond to Mr. Lopez about seeing the escort?
4 laughing emojis. How long is he going to stay awake?
And this one from January 30th, 2023. It is an audio file.
Yes.
Ms. Foster, please play the first minute in 10 seconds. What did Christina Coram say in this?
She says he's going to the 4 Seasons and wants you to bring Gatorade and chicken noodle soup.
Read these. I'll be Dave Shirley. Rock you riding with him.
As KK. No to Rock. Can you run $4,000 cash from Rock to the hotel?
Sure.
Heads up, he's about to do Wild King tonight.
Forgot to pick up the money. Just give it to Fahim just in case. What is the hotel write to Ms. Coram?
Hotel called. Paul is coming up.
Does Paul appear elsewhere in the chart?
Yes.
Let's turn off the exhibit screens to the public and press. Please read these between Jane and Mrs. Coram.
As KK. Ask them if they can bring up 15 bath towels.
He always bring between 5 and 10K. They're expecting people to leave the presidential suite at 1 p.m.
As KK, we're taking off.
Going ahead in time, could we? At this moment, the defense objected, and they continued. I withdraw. Going ahead in time. Who is this between?
Sean Combs and Christina Coram. They say Guido hasn't dropped off the package yet.
What does Coram write to Sean Combs?
She writes, Guido outside. Combs replies with an audio message.
Play it. At this moment, the audio is played in court, and it was Diddy saying, about Guido. Take care of it, please. And what does Christina Coram respond?
Done.
Do some of these messages involve Cassie Ventura?
Yes.
Page 5, May 2nd, 2017. What are these?
Text between Cassie Ventura and KK.
As Ventura, WTF.
As KK, are you okay?
As Ventura, no one deserves to be dragged by hair. Row 87 to 92, April 20th, 2018. Cassie and KK. As Cassie, I just can't anymore.
As KK, I'm here for you. Heart emoji.
As Cassie, I'm bombed, but don't want to derail.
As KK, definitely don't derail. It's not worth it.
Let's turn to Jane's messages. You read Jane.
As Jane, we got into a fight. I'm not doing hotel night. I'll bring him a cake.
What is the date of this filing?
November 16th, 2023.
What are these?
Audio files from November 19th, 2023.
Play it. At this moment, the audio is played in court and it said, this, audio, phone ringing, Combs' voice. We can't really talk on this phone. You know what I'm saying? I called. I reached out. You know what I'm saying? My love is definitely true. Just some kinky that I thought we definitely enjoyed. Audio, Jane. I don't know. Voice cracks. It's like word for word. It's like crazy to me. It feels sick. Combs. But like you know, they turn off audio. Play the next one. At this moment, the audio was played in court, and it said, this, audio, Combs, I really need your friendship right now. Don't send no texts. Combs, recorded audio. I just needed to tell you, I need your friendship, baby. I gotta meet my moms. You know what I'm saying. Please pray for me, Jane. Okay? They turn off audio. 3 days later, what are these?
KK writes, we all know you're kryptonite.
As Combs, please make sure Robin makes sure that rent is paid.
As KK, Robin said her rent was paid.
What is this?
An image found on Miss Coram's phone from December 28, 2023. A photo of a cell phone screen. It says, I lost work opportunities. As Jane, you broke me. You asked me what I needed to move on, and now you're upset.
Who are these between?
As Jane to KK, he said he would send the tapes by my baby daddy. I'm traumatized. He asked me who I'm seeing over and over again. As Jane, he said he'll send the tapes to the father of my child. On them, I'm drugged. I'm beyond hurt by him.
What does Ms. Combs say?
As KK, I haven't spoken with him.
And these photos of a cell phone, can you read them?
As Jane, you have everything up. You win.
What are these?
Videos found on KK's device.
Ms. Foster, play it.
Audio. Woman's voice, like $1,000.
What's in the photo?
Like a long manicured nail.
What does KK write?
As KK, they just chillin' at his house, out the shop like King Knight mode or Gucci bag mode, LOL.
Your Honor, we could break here. At this moment they took a break, then continued. Mr. Sankar, what does this exhibit show?
Messages of Sean Combs and Damian Butler, aka D-Rock, and Mia.
Turn off the screens to the public and press. Please read D-Rock's messages.
As D-Rock, love you man, if you need a friend I'm here.
As Combs, I'll call you back, talking to the kids.
As D-Rock to Mia, where are you?
As Mia, Virginia Beach.
D-Rock texts her number to Combs.
As Mia, to D-Rock, I didn't have my phone. I was scuba diving.
As D-Rock, we're opening up a new restaurant on the 17th. He says he doesn't want anything from you.
As Mia, super smart to stay in your bubble. As Mia, I am on this island off the coast of Honduras.
As D-Rock, I'll love to hear about Honduras. Let me know how I can send you something.
As Mia, I never ask for anything.
As Arduck, I'm allowed to send my sister a gift.
Did you have any other involvement in this case?
No?
No further questions.
Mrs. Sankar, this message from Damian Butler to Sean Combs. Let's pull up the exhibit. Line 363, days earlier, the legal filing. Please read Nat more.
As Nat, the article could have been worse. They are calling it a breakup fight.
Let's read some messages not included in the chart. Jane writes, I can be dropped off at my building's front desk. And KK writes, he speaks directly with PD. I don't deal with him, LOL, right?
Right.
Jane writes to KK, pulling up to airport. Smiley face, I'm excited to surprise him. May I cover with AUSA Foster?
At this moment, I believe they had a sidebar, then continued.
I think we need to shut off the screens for the public. November 22nd, 2023, between Jane and KK, right?
Yes.
Jane said, I'm not doing any more hard partying than this one about the 3 years of wasted time. Here is KK to Mr. Perez asking, how does he look? And Mr. Perez replies, shockingly good, better than before, right?
Yes.
Nothing further.
At this moment, they called their next witness. The next witness is another special agent. About more charts. These about certain meetings. Chart being shown is about meeting in the London hotel involving Sean Combs, Cassie Ventura, and Jules. And charts shown lists flights taken by meeting participants, including Jules Theodore, aka Jules, and Cassandra Ventura, special agent. On the chart, at this moment the defense objected, and they had a sidebar, then continued. When you say attended, do you mean to say the people concerned appeared from records, absent a video, to have attended?
Yes.
Who are the participants in this chat?
Jules and Sean Combs.
You read Jules.
As Jules, I'm available Friday through Sunday, whatever flights work. Which one?
As Combs, Friday at 4. Where are the flights between?
LA and JFK in New York.
Do document retention policies impact your ability to get documents?
Yes, I could not get these records.
At this moment, they took a lunch break, then continued. Special Agent, have you reviewed American Express records?
I have. This was to American Express for a flight from Miami for Cassandra Ventura. Here was a charge from the London hotel to this American Express account.
Whose American Express account?
Sean Combs, paid with an account at Signature Bank.
Can you read this?
It's the Trump in Columbus Circle. I'm heading there now. Can you contact the front desk and get the channel unlocked?
What does Ms. Ventura say?
Just called them.
Who is in these communications?
Cassandra Ventura and NY Punish, aka Sheree Hayes.
What is it about?
The cost.
And this?
Videos.
Turn off the screen for the public and press. We are not playing it for counsel since their screens are viewable from the gallery. Play from 10:30 to 11 minutes. Okay, Special Agent Penland, I want to direct your attention to line 23. I will read Mr. Combs. You read Ms. Ventura. As Combs. You horny? Would you want to have a freak off?
As Cassie. Call Jules. Can you send me the hotel info? About to smoke. What are you doing?
As Combs. What up?
As Cassie. I asked him to drive around, and we will hit him when we want him to come up.
Reading. I'm a bit more sexually excited than last time. Dress casually and bring baby oil.
As Cassie. Casual yes, baby oil no.
As Johnny LA Strip on my way to L'Ermitage.
As Cassie. Do you mind driving around until I tell you?
We could break here. And that was the end of the trial for today. What did you think about these testimonies? Do you think this helps the prosecution with the RICO charges? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you tomorrow.